Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. Now for today's episode guys, I'm gonna show you how to change the battery for this Asus laptop. Now the battery is actually a built-in battery, so the battery is actually under the casing right here. Now first you have to remove all of these screws from the back of the laptop, which of course I've done that. Once you remove all of these screws, then you're gonna need something with a sharp edge to actually open the laptop itself, in terms of opening this very close section here. So that's what I'm actually gonna do now for you. So actually start that process there. So you have to get this piece entirely off. So I'm actually getting it off for you. So that's why you need something like this guys. Now you have to be very careful not to damage these ribbons. I have 3 ribbons that you have to be very careful. I'm going to show you those 3 ribbons. So here we go guys. So this is the power button, this is for the keyboard, and this is for the touchpad. So here we have the battery for this section here. So it was simple. Now the battery, as I said, it is inside of the laptop. Right, so here we go guys. So the battery is now out. As you can see, you can feel it right here. So actually got damage. So this is my new battery. So we're just gonna slide it right back in. Like that. So here you go guys. So you don't have to worry about the battery not being in place, because once you close it and put in back all the screws, 2 screws around the back section of the laptop basically secure the battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and of course close back the laptop. But first guys, remember that you have to reattach these cables. So that's it guys, that's how you replace the battery for this laptop. So once again guys, if you're new to the channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section, and of course click on that notification bell. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.